Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to delete apps on TCL Roku TV. Let's go. Open App Store or Play Store. Find and install Roku app. Log in to your Roku account. Connect to your Roku TV. Select App, Remove. Done. Through this application, you can install and uninstall applications. That's it. Now you know how to delete apps on TCL Roku TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.